So this is where I am. Last video I repaired all this bit inside here. As you can see there, I've smoothed all this off now. The lighting's pretty poor in here. As you can see, I've smoothed it off in there. That looks quite nice and tidy in there now. Nice up there, all up there. What I'm going to do, there was a panel on here, which is this, which is that goes on there. I mean, it took quite a while to get off, so I did start recording it, then I thought, no, I'm not going to bother showing you that bit, it's a bit boring. So all I've done is took all the spot welds out, taken the panels off. I've got to reshape these back in place, weld some of these little holes up, and then I'll probably drill some new ones for when I put it back on. But these will all be nice and straight and nice, you know, when I put it all back on. So what I'm going to do today is I don't know what to do. Been thinking about this. So what I might do is cut that there and make one massive whole panel. So I literally weld it in here, weld it in there, spot weld it on there. Then I'm going to lap it over. So it's just laps over a little bit, and then I'm going to build another panel inside, which then attaches to this bit here, spot weld to there. Because obviously where they've obviously rotted away, I don't know exactly how they were, but I think they go round and back up and spot weld to that bit underneath. So that's what I'm going to do. Get this bit done. There's also some little bits down here I'm going to clean up and look about. And on this bit here, I'm also going to look at this bit here. There's a little bit of rot there I'm going to try and do. And I think I've sort of went through this a bit, so I'm going to take this back eventually when I've got this other bit done, and weld this bit back up. But obviously go down there, as you can see, I am going to replace probably most of this post. Don't really want to be messing about with this up here, because it's not too solid up here. And it's pretty good, so I will probably then find the best bit here and cut across and replace this whole bit. But like I say, I'm not worried about it at the moment, so I want to keep that all in place until I take the chassis leg out. But yeah, I'm going to concentrate on this bit now, get all this bit done, make this panel up, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, I'll try and get all this bit done and we'll put it in there, so it'll be cool. So let's crack on, and I'll see you in a minute. Great start to the video. Forgot to push record on some of the footage, so I lost a bit of that. So all this cleaning up and cutting this panel off is gone. So I have just jumped the gun and made that panel to go in there, right in there. Look at that, beautiful. So we'll get that all tacked in and welded up, and then we'll start doing the inside bit. Right, let's go for it. So there you go, all nice and welded in. I've got a few little bits underneath to do here and there, but I'm going to spin it around and I'll do the other. I'll get this smoothed off first, then I'll spin it around, carry on with the other side, cut the bit of metal off, and then I can make a new plate that goes underneath, spot welds to the inside of this bit here. So yeah, I'm pleased with that, so let's crack on. Look at that. That's a beauty, isn't it? Look how smooth that bad boy is. Look at that. All the way down there, look. Beautiful. So yeah, done all this. Gonna spin it around now and do the other side. This on the other side. So I'm gonna cut along here, that line there, cut this bit off, and then I'm gonna make a little panel with a fold in so I can spot weld it to this bottom bit underneath. Get it cut off and then I'll show you the little panel. So there's the plate I've made to go in there. There you go. So I've just gone by pretty much what I think it was like. I've already made it a little bit better than it should have been, really. That should be. So I broke my camera again, so that's why I'm using this one. And I can't hardly move it around because I'm recording from the front. But I'm going to get this all tacked in and welded up and go from there. There you go, all nice and smooth. Looks really, it's come up really nice actually, to be fair. So what I'm going to do now is got this little panel here. I'm going to stick in this bit over here. Just going to get that tacked in there. So let's go. So I've got all this done, as you can see there, all welded up in there. Just going to get this smoothed off, and I'm going to come up to here, to this bit. Done this plate already, just going to cut this bit out and put that bit in, and get them bits finished off, and then this, So there you have it, all smoothed off. I've left this gap here, so because that's right on there, so I thought I'm just going to leave that. So when I rebuild this bit, I'll connect that bit up. But yeah, I'm pleased with it. Still really pleased with the other bit I've done. But yeah, it's all looking good now, as you can see. I'm just gonna spot weld these little bits down here, each side, just to finish it off, and just move all these little bits off, and then I'll get it all in red oxide. But I think that's about it really, to be honest. So that's the end of the video. Next time I will get all in primer, the bit I've done on this side, and I'm going to crack on and get the other side started on the next one. So yeah, it's making a bit of progress now. Getting close to making the new jig up for the front end to come off. Hopefully it won't be too long. So yeah, looking forward to it. So like and subscribe. If you haven't already, get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.